take out my hair clip because fix my hair. I'm ready for lunch. Let's eat. Okay, fun part of this tour. We plan to visit the Kansas Automotive Museum. That's the name of it. And then when we arrive there, they say it's closed. And here we arrived in Kansas City Automotive Museum. It was advertised. It was open. The reason behind it is they're going to have a show or an event at nighttime, so they're closing the morning so that they can prepare for the night. So we ended up in this area, an outlet mall, to have lunch. They call it Northridge Plaza. Raw store. They have here one imports, and then they have, what's the next one? Aldi. This Aldi food market. Let's check out what they have. I know this is a German store, my husband's favorite store. This is my husband. Vicinity. It's a busy store. There's a lot of people in here. I couldn't vlog as much. What do we need? What else? Oh, I like that lumbar support. Oh, nice. I like that lumbar support right there. Do we need that? Oh, here we go. This is what we need. A jacket. If it rains, I didn't bring one. Coffee. Breakfast, what you got? Here you go. German beer. Trying to find a city next one. The exporting goods. Still was on the other side. Oh no, it's not. So it's entrance. Lunchtime. I'm having chipotle sofritas, and my husband, what are you having?
Bowl of steak.
Bowl of steak, and then salmon wine. Let's eat. Yummy. There's rice in it. Yummy. And of course I can't finish it. I'll take it home. Chipotle for lunch. Chipotle. So we'll see where we can go the next one. Maybe Ikea? I think it's Ikea next, so we'll see you there. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I have a new upload. Bye!